Forgive me if I seem a little rusty. As I can look like my arsalerilaarama made over some arsalerilaarama for me, madam. I mean, there's a couch right here. Couch! No, Kiisami no good. It's not raining, which means we're gonna have a very good day. Good stuff for training. Arsalerilaarama goes around there. So you don't miss it. So I just get a show si København make vision. Tak går mig mis det der afternes bække arsalerilaarama. No me. Anyway, so let's just get to the arsalerilaarama. Forgive me if I seem a little rusty. As I can look like my arsalerilaarama made over some arsalerilaarama madam. Masnaso qadarartama massakkut. So if I do it so badly, I'm sorry. Fitnessimut tistart kultural tistart tawada mama sakku faqammerpunga atu poisin bisnalaallaqta ullu qasiitsattin suli paqingit natta luwa meg aka kylling prostiwani put kisani peanut butter nasarikku and I'm gonna need something to which is in like 30 minutes. Okay, the podcast is now live. You know what that means? Danish without doing it goes up. All right, I still have the same kavayat. That could have also just had opposite podcast chill Danish washing man. That's about without doing it. My second Apple podcast could do on yo, that's a lot of value to send it, but I'm gonna a city on film all in here. That would do. The Matthias went to the sauna. So can not top. It's me. Begin it piani. So can it no yorksimas. Kasatuana. Begin to me. If we suck down in the right between there, the pingaro. Right over there. I'm gonna convince one of my friends to climb a hill. Climb a goddamn hill. Right, so many good things. YouTube muna may kusina yung kasi nga sopen po. Upload sa naksina na may YouTube process kata may kasi nito YouTube process so manangit. There's something weird happening over there. I was watching it up. Ullukan ni ikusing it down. Kind of sucks. You know what? We're here to have fun. We provide value and entertainment on this YouTube channel. Alright, gotta get home before the lady gets me in trouble. No, tanaqaanu tasaat. Soqarna tanaqaana amallugu uliarsinniala arsimaaffuuku mitaamiarpusiortu. So that's why it smells kind of bad. Yo! Guess what I can see? Yo, someone is going on a trip in their favorite rocket ship.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little Einstein. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, if I do it so badly, I'm sorry.